Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about how to get rid of freckles naturally. Freckles are cute for some people, but many people don't like them because they can make your skin look uneven. It can also cause low self-esteem or confidence. So if you want to know how to reduce their appearance, this video is perfect for you. In this video, we will share 6 tips on how to treat freckles naturally at home. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. And without further ado, let's get started. 1. Check out your family tree. Freckles are a type of pigmented spot that occurs when melanin, the pigment that determines your skin color, is unevenly distributed in the upper layer of your skin. This means that if your parents have freckles, you are more likely to have them as well. So if you want to know whether or not you will develop freckles, take a look at your family tree. If your close relatives have freckles, you should be aware that you may develop freckles too. Also, keep in mind that sun exposure can worsen freckles. Therefore, if you want to prevent freckles from getting worse, avoid sun exposure as much as possible. Use sunscreen whenever you go outside and wear protective clothing such as hats and long sleeves. You should also be aware that hormone changes during pregnancy can cause existing freckles to become darker and more noticeable. Therefore, if you are pregnant, consult with your doctor before using any lightening products on your face. 2. Potatoes. Potatoes contain oxalic acid, which can help to lighten freckles by inhibiting the production of melanin. To use potatoes against freckles, simply cut a potato into thin slices and rub it gently over your face in circular motions for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and apply a moisturizer. You can do this once or twice a week for best results. In addition to treating freckles, this natural remedy can also help to brighten the skin and even out your complexion. Other than using it topically, you can also consume raw potatoes in your daily diet to treat freckles from inside out. Simply add a few slices of raw potato to your salad or enjoy them as a snack. However, if you choose to eat potatoes, make sure they are organic and free of pesticides. Potatoes contain oxalic acid, which can be irritating to the skin. Therefore, if you have sensitive skin, avoid potato juice and stick to other natural remedies. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has been used for centuries to treat a variety of skin conditions, including freckles. This plant contains enzymes that can help to lighten freckles by reducing melanin production. You can use aloe vera gel or juice to treat freckles. If you're using the gel, apply it to your face and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. If you're using the juice, dilute it with water and apply it to your face using a cotton ball. Do this once or twice a day for best results. In addition to lightening freckles, aloe vera can also help to soothe and moisturize your skin. However, if you have sensitive skin, it is best to do a patch test before using aloe vera on your entire face. For a patch test, apply a small amount of aloe vera gel to your arm or leg and let it sit for 10 minutes. If you experience any redness, itching, or irritation, then discontinue use. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy for freckles. Due to its high concentration of acetic acid, this acid helps to exfoliate the top layer of skin, which can help to reduce the appearance of freckles. To use apple cider vinegar to treat freckles, simply mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water and apply the mixture to your face. Using a cotton ball, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water. You can do this once or twice a day for best results. However, it is important to note that apple cider vinegar can be irritating to the skin, so it is important to do a patch test before using it on your entire face. As with any other treatment, it is important to be patient when using apple cider vinegar to treat freckles. It may take several weeks or even months to see results. But if you are consistent with your application, you may eventually see a reduction in the appearance of your freckles. In addition to its exfoliating properties, apple cider vinegar can also help to brighten the skin and even out your complexion. This can help to make your freckles less noticeable. You can also use apple cider vinegar as a toner after cleansing your face. Simply apply it to a cotton pad and swipe it across your face. Avoid the eye area. 5. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is another popular home remedy for freckles because it contains high levels of vitamin C, which can help to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of freckles. It is also a natural astringent, which means that it can help to tighten and tone the skin. To use lemon juice to treat freckles, simply apply it directly to your face and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. You can do this once or twice a day for best results. However, lemon juice can be irritating to the skin, so it is important to do a patch test before using it on your entire face. Additionally, lemon juice is photosensitive, which means that it can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Therefore, it is important to avoid sun exposure after applying lemon juice to your face. You should also protect your skin by wearing sunscreen, hats, and protective clothing when outdoors. When applying lemon juice topically, make sure to use organic, unpasteurized lemon juice to ensure maximum effectiveness. Number 6. Stay out of the sun. Sun exposure can worsen freckles by increasing melanin production. Therefore, one of the most effective ways to treat freckles is to stay out of the sun as much as possible. You can do this by staying indoors during peak sun hours, which is usually between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. You should also wear protective clothing such as hats and long sleeves when you are outside. In addition to protecting against the sun, you can also use sunscreen to reduce the appearance of freckles. Choose a sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher and apply it liberally to your face and any other exposed skin. Be sure to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours or as needed, especially after sweating or swimming. You can also use natural sunscreen alternatives such as hats, scarves, and umbrellas to protect your skin from the sun. By taking these precautions, you can help to prevent your freckles from getting worse. If you like this video, please leave a comment below and let us know. Also, please subscribe to receive notifications of our next videos. We wish you good health, beauty, and happiness. See you in the next video. Bye.